Hello, welcome to another session of my video. Here we have our HP Elitebook 1030 G2. Remember the one we discussed last week, S360. I think we've talked about two S360, right? But this particular one, if you've not watched the video, go and watch it so you can see know the particular one I'm talking about. X30 G2 i5 7th gen. Let me make you remember. All right, if you watched that video, if you have watched that video, you will see the video where I was cleaning this particular flex. All right, I was cleaning it with a brush, where we saw carbon right here, and we cleaned it, and then we were like, okay, maybe there's no 90 volts that is supplying the flex and all of that. But to round it up is that we concluded it's going to be the flex. Why was I sure that it's going to be flex? One of the reasons I concluded it's going to be flex is because all of the necessary voltage are complete. All right, using our meter, we checked for 19 volts was present, 3.3 volts present, 5 volts present, 1.1. all that needs to supply the board or that needs to make the system working were complete. So that's why we went suspecting the flex. So here we are, we want to change the flex. Okay, I got a donor flex from another system. You can see how dirty it is. This is already rough, but the flex is useful. So we are going to take out this flex and then we use it here. Okay, so we'll put back our screen and then our motherboard to test. So let's get to work. All right, yes, let's take this out first. Join me as I quickly do this. All done. So this is it. This is the flex is taken out, so we have to take this good one. Okay, we'll release it, take out the screw. You know, these systems are very fragile, so you have to be careful, especially this most of this expensive system. All right, so let's take the screw out and get out the flex. So I want to use this opportunity to appreciate those that are already sharing my videos. I love you all, my friends, my sisters, my brother. I really appreciate you for the love so far. Appreciate the love. Okay, so this is out, and then we key it, wear it in. This is the flex. Anyway, this is not the good one anyway, but I'm just trying to protect it here in case something can be done. But then let's go to work. Let's get to work. I'll keep this aside, so we'll put the good one. This is what we're working with. This is to the board. Okay, so let's fix it in this way. Hope you can see it. Okay. You don't have to force anything. Very careful so that you don't break or damage anything. All right. So let's ensure that the flex is properly seated. Okay, so it's properly fixed. And we need to screw back. Yeah, I think this is it. Alright, this is it. Yeah, so let's screw back quickly. Where's my... Let's use this one that has a magnet. Okay, so we have to get it back here. These systems are sensitive, like I said, so you have to be careful in order not to spoil anything. Let's try to wet it like this. So push it in. Be mindful of where the flex and everything will be. Yeah, so that's what it's in. Push this into. Yeah. So let's screw it, okay? Screw before we can turn it around. So while you are even fixing, be careful not to scratch the back so that your work does not look rough, alright? Not to scratch the system. Oh, okay. I think I forgot something. Yeah. Okay. Which should go first? Let's put the board. Yes, let's put the board. Be sure to connect every flex that was removed. Okay, so what next? This is our SSD, alright? 512 gig. So let's put the SSD back. The SSD back, alright? And then screw. What next? Yeah, we'll fix the connector and then we'll fix the spring so we can test. This is the connector, right? Let's see. Okay, it's connected. Let's quickly fix the spring so that we can test it. Hold. Yeah, we're fixing the screen connector for the screen. This is a touch screen, so you don't need to put pressure. You don't need to put pressure on the screen, okay? Yeah, so we are ready to test it. Let's just test first before we key in everything. Okay, so let's test with our charger, okay? Oh, this thing fall off. Yeah, when you're plugging charger, be very careful of this this wireless connector. Alright, so that it doesn't touch the board, because it can breach the system. You see that a working system will just stop working, and you'll be wondering what may have happened. So be sure to wear or use a tape around it. So let's plug in our charger. I can't wait. I just hope it works. Okay, it's in our charger. Right, from behind you can see that the system is on. So let's wait for it to display. It happens like this when there's no CMOS. Remember, once you plug charger, the system will go straight on. When there's no CMOS and also no battery. So let's wait for it to display. Please display. Oh, somebody help me and pray for this system. Oh, tell the system to display well. Okay, I want to be sure if it's displaying inside, or remember it's dim. It was dim. Wow, woo! You know, my happiness whenever I'm on this job and a customer, you know, aside the fact that a customer will have to pay me, that there's that joy I get. I get that, I get so excited, that joy that oh, at last it worked. All right, at last I was able to do it. Oh, so guys, it was actually the flex that has been the issue. You can see from the screen, all right, our system has displayed. So it has been that is the flex that was actually the issue. So we should I say we guessed right, or we thought right? Yeah, we thought right. Please, this is one reason you should share my videos. All right, please, I'm begging you. There are students, all right, there are students who need this video. I'm telling you, instead of going to, I'm not saying that they shouldn't go to YouTube, but additional information or detail, let's even say knowledge that they gain from my videos, plus whatever they source out on YouTube, we help them go a long way. There are engineering department there, and well, I have there are a lot of them that needs this video. Please share to your WhatsApp page, share to your Instagram, share to your Facebook profile and page. Just share it. That's the only way you can support me, and that's the only way this love can go around. Because trust me, not everyone will bring the full detail of work online. I have come across many engineers. They just take a snapshot of the issue and post it. They don't do proper. I don't want to condemn, or I'm not condemning per se, but I'm being sincere here. I'm giving in all it takes. I'm putting in every details, so that somebody can boldly say, oh, I followed her for a year or 2 years and I was able to learn something. This is the reason you should share my video. Please share my video. All right, and also, before I forget, happy Eid Kabir to all my Muslim friends. All right, bye bye. It worked at last.